Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. In today's video I've sketched out a picture that I've adapted from Pinterest, and it's an Asian lady dancer with lovely flowing curly wavy hair. So I'll be using watercolours today and stencils. So yeah, enjoy and let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to give the background a wash. I didn't wash that brush very well. There's still some paint on it, but that's okay because that's the colour I was going to use anyway. So I'm just giving the background a wash of water, trying not to hit the drawing itself. And I've never used this brush before, so I'm not sure how well it's soaking up the water, but I'll carry on and we'll see. So I'm just going around the edge of the drawing, just picking up water. It actually feels like spring today. The sun is out and the sky is blue. And Bailey's just come in. He was out in the garden, taking in the sun. Let's go up here. I will be doing wet on wet, so I'm hoping that the colours that I put down will blend together. I'll be using a combination of yellows and oranges. So I think that's enough water. I'm going to go in with the yellow. And I'm just going to put a wash of that on there. And I'm not being precise about it. I just want the colour down. Yeah, that is drying up rather quickly. So I'll add some more water. Making sure that there is plenty of water on the brush as I pick up the colours. And that's a lovely vibrant yellow. I hope the camera's picking up on that. No, don't know if I went off camera there, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna leave that to dry. I'm just gonna add a bit more water down here. Yeah, we'll leave that to dry and I'll come back for the second stage. Okay, yeah, the painting's dry. And I've got this stencil from Gina K, and I've had this in my stash for a number of years. So I don't know if it's still in stock. And it's called the Harvest Florist. But it's worth looking it up. You might still find it online. So I'm going to get that out of the pack. And we'll be using this stencil for the background. There you go. And I've been using Ranger Distress Oxide, and that's in Mermaid Lagoon. And I've got my blending brush. So it might end up picking up the yellow wash, which will be nice in itself. And I'm going to try not to get into the lady, just the background. Well, the best that I can. I might change to a smaller brush. Yes, it is picking up the yellow, which is brilliant, and it's making it a lovely green. So I'm going to carry on and go around the page with the stencil. So that's our background. Okay, what I'd like to do first, I've got the Spectrum Aqua blends, and they're watercolour pencils from Spectrum Noir, and this is the colour Gunmetal. And I'm going to go in, I'm going to do the hair, and then we'll go on to the body. Okay, let's get started. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.